Exercise number 15. Ready? Start. Sir, this is the time to look at the performance of the journal fiscal situation. I have listened with some attention to the remarks from the opposition. Everybody is worried. I heard my friend speaking and the honorable members just now who spoke also and talked out about the problems of the size of the deficit of no plan expenditure, the question of continuing inefficiency of relatively less efficiency of public enterprises, or the fear of the debt trap. These are familiar battle cries on the side of the opposition. At the same time, if you heard the earlier debates, the demand on behalf of the states for net added transfer of resources from the center to states is still growing. The pressure is mounting. There is a demand for additional subsidy and continuation of excise subsidies. Then on the one side, we talk about efficiency in economic management. On the other side, we find different state governments and particularly some of the neighboring state governments indulging in populist approach towards repayment of loans from the banks or other sectors of the government. Now it is very difficult to reconcile the economic rationality of the demand and the economic rationality of the comments that the opposition members are trying to make. Let us look at the hard facts. The question is whether the economy is growing in terms of growth rate of the GNP. This can be checked is terms of figures available here. The fact is that it is growing at a very fast pace. In fact, the expected rate of growth of real income in the current year is likely to be around 8%, which is much higher than what we have seen in the recent years. If you look at the sectoral composition of performance, thanks to the bountiful monsoon and a more imaginative agricultural strategy, particularly the food production, we are finding a better performance in the food production sector. Of course, we depleted our buffer stock, but as a result of the better crops and with some imports, we are trying to replenish our buffer stocks. Industrial growth has been very encouraging, although in the last few months there has been a tendency at deceleration, and we hope by the year end the things will level up and our performance in the industrial sector will be well above the recent performance. It should be crossing 10 to 11% mark altogether. Stop.